And as you can see, it turns all jelly-like. So that's the pudding, and you see the nuts and the fruits in there. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make another one of my high protein, low carb snacks that I've been enjoying since I started the intermittent fasting. So today we're going to make chia seed pudding. So I've talked about chia seed in the past, and I showed you how I use it in my oatmeal, and I just want to show you yet another great way in which you can use chia seeds. So here I have 3 honey jars that I reuse all the time. I decorate them from time to time, and I'm going to be making 3 sets of puddings, so that'll be snacks for 3 days. So I'm going to be adding some milk, and I need about a cup of milk. This is fat-free milk, and I'm just eyeballing it because I pretty much know where a cup should bring me as I measure it in the past several times before. So milk is high in calcium, and it helps to maintain your weight. It stimulates the fat burning tissue, and it helps to maintain your metabolism. So you want to add some kind of dairy in your diet when you're trying to lose weight. For each jar, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of chia seed. Chia seed are high in fiber and protein, both of which have been proven to help with weight loss. They may reduce your risk of heart attack because they are high in omega-3 fatty acid. Chia seed are the richest plant source of omega-3 fatty acid. They are a complete protein. They contain all 9 essential amino acids. This chia seed pudding have a little over 300 grams of calories, 38 grams of carbs, and 20 grams of protein, making it a high protein snack. Protein have been proven to help you lose weight and keep it off longer because protein help you to feel full longer. Chia seed have no flavor, so whatever you add to your pudding is what your pudding will taste like. So I'm adding a little bit of honey. This is about a half a teaspoon of honey, just to sweeten it a little. You can add whatever sweetener you like. I choose to use honey because that's the only form of sweetener I use. And even though I'm adding just a half teaspoon of honey, that's because I don't like anything too sweet. You can sweeten this to your taste. If you want more, you can add more. You can add less if you like. And a lot of times I do it with just the milk. I don't add any sweetener to it. But this week I just wanted something a little sweeter, so I'm adding the honey to this. The flavor of the week is vanilla. I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla to each of the jar. You can add a little more or less based on your taste. You can use whatever flavoring you like. I just choose vanilla this week. I'm going in with a spoon and I'm trying to mix this around. I'm trying to dissolve the honey because that goes to the bottom. This is not a step you want to miss because when your pudding is set, if you don't do this, you're going to have just that one sweet spot at the bottom of your pudding, and that would not be the best time to try to stir it around. It's going to become harder to stir as your pudding start to set. So you want to go ahead and do that right now. As you can see, all that honey at the bottom of the jar, so that's what I'm trying to get to kind of dissolved in the milk. Once my honey is dissolved, I go in and I add my berries. Berries are high in fibers. They're low in calories. They have a ton load of vitamins and minerals. I can't say too much about berries. I'm constantly eating them. I'm sure if you've seen any of my other videos about food, I incorporated berries in everything I eat. I don't go a day without berries. So now I'm adding my blueberries in these, and those are the only 2 I'll use in this right now is a blueberry, but you can put whatever berries you like in here. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to put some almond in there, and these are roasted almonds. I've never tried these before. It was the first time I'm seeing it in the store, and I said, let me try it. And I'm so happy that I did. It is so full of flavor. I generally use the raw shredded almonds, which are very good, but these are so full of flavor. I think this is going to be my new shredded almond, at least for a while. I really enjoy the way these taste, and it's just going to add that nutty taste and texture to your pudding. In this another time, trying to get everything to mixed up. Don't want anything to just settle one place in there. So I'm just going to set this aside for 5 minutes, and then I'll come back again and stir it. So this is about 10 minutes later, and I'm just going in and stir everything up. As you can see, the pudding is already forming. It's a little thick. You can see that. And that's because chia seed absorb about 10 to 13 times its weight in water. And you see those are tiny seed, but they absorb a lot of water. I'm closing the lid, and I'm trying to make sure that these are secure and sealed. These are going to be ready in about an hour to 2 hours. They can last in your refrigerator up to 5 days. They're going to be in there for a while. But I'm going to, after about 2 or so hours, I'm going to come back and just show you what it looks like. So guys, this is 2 hours later. This was in the refrigerator for 2 hours. And as you can see, it turns all jelly-like. So that's the pudding. And you see the nuts and the fruits in there. Another way to do this is to add the fruits and the nuts right when you're about to eat it. In this one, I only put vanilla as spice. You can add cinnamon to it. You can add nutmeg, just whatever spice you like. I've actually done it with coconut extract before. I've had it with almond extract. It's just whatever your taste is, whatever your flavor is. And of course, as always, love to fancy up my jar. And just, you know, this is really delicious. It's healthy. And hope you like it. That's how I make my chia seed pudding. Hope you enjoy this video. If you're gonna try this, let me know. Or if you already have a different kind of recipe, something you think I should be trying, let me know also. Thank you for watching. As always, have a good week. Bye.